affordable luxury house. Yes, that is something that we have come across. I found it right here for you today with Perry Homes. Today we're going to be looking at this beautiful model home by Perry Homes located on the far west side of San Antonio in the community of Veranda, and you will not find a cheaper Perry home anywhere in San Antonio. This community here has the lowest prices for all of the Perry homes that you're going to find in San Antonio, which is phenomenal because these Perry homes are beautiful. They are built to the nines. They've got some great qualities, great craftsmanship, beautiful features on these homes as well, as you're going to see here on this model home here in just a minute. But if you are brand new to this channel here, my name is Brock and I'm a realtor here in San Antonio, and I'm here to help you and your family buy a home, whether you're relocating to San Antonio, maybe you're moving around the city here. I am here to help you and your family do that. So if you are looking for information and details on, the pricing and availability of these homes, maybe some of the incentives, because those do change, but stick around because I will be sharing some of the latest pricing and incentives at the end of this video here for you. But if you want the updates or just are ready to move forward and start your home search, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. All of my contact information is down below in the description for you, and I'd love to help you and your family make a move here in San Antonio. So with that, these homes here, Perry Homes is again starting in the high $300,000 range for their homes, and like I mentioned already, you are not going to find a lower price on a Perry Homes in any of their other communities, just this one here that we're at right now. So for now, we're going to go check out this home, but stick around because I will be sharing some of the pricing and availability with you at the end of this video. But for now, again, let's go check this one out. All right, well, thank you so much for sticking around and checking out this house with me. Again, this is a Perry home over in the Veranda community on the far west side of town. So if you like what you see or want some more information, maybe you're looking for something a little different, do not hesitate to reach out to me. All of my contact information is down below in the description for you. So please feel free to reach out with any questions, or if you're ready to start your home search and find the perfect house for you and your family, be more than happy to help you out there. But let's look at some of the homes that are currently for sale by Perry. Some of these are already under construction. Some of them are already complete with construction. Before we look at them though, I do want to give you a warning that these prices can and will change at any moment, right? As well as the availability and some of the timelines that you may see on here. All that stuff is subject to change at the builder's discretion, and unfortunately I have no control over it, but we can try to negotiate and see what kind of deals we can work out when it comes to the pricing and some of the incentives there. So please don't let that hold you back from reaching out. I'm here to help you and make sure that you get a fantastic deal. So let's go ahead and look at some of the sheets here. All right, so here we've got the inventory sheet. You can see the current pricing right here, as well as the plan name and square footage, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, half baths, and number of garages as well. So here's a few of them. Please remember, keep in mind that these prices and the availability, especially when it comes to the timelines of construction, like this one's available now, this one's estimated to be done in June. Of course, all of this information you see here can change, but I just kind of want to give you an idea of the current pricing and some of the different floor plans that they have available in this community as well. At this time, there's currently not one of these plans that is available to be sold. However, they are building some, so there are definitely some coming up in the future. But again, just not any currently available for sale, at least in this community. We can definitely do some research and legwork and see if we can find this plan for you somewhere else. And just as a quick reference, this circled area is exactly where this neighborhood is, this little dot and red arrow there, and so you can kind of see the San Antonio as a whole. One of the other things I wanted to share is this incentive. Again, please remember that these incentives don't apply to every single home that you will see for sale, and they can change at any moment. But right now, across the nation, interest rates are sitting anywhere between 7 and 7.5%. So they're offering some fairly good deals on the interest rate there, and you can see how you can use some of the incentives. They're offering some really good deals on select homes here. And of course, again, just those can change and will change at any moment. So please keep that in mind. All right, so there you have it. You've seen the house, you've seen some of the current inventory available and the pricing, you've seen and heard about some of the incentives. So if you need any additional information about this home or any other home you may have seen here on the channel or anywhere else online, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I am here to help you and your family find your next house, whatever the house may be, wherever it is here in the San Antonio and surrounding area. So with that, I hope you have an incredible day. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and like the video. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're there as well. Doing that will make sure that you get to see the next video I put out there, whether it's just information about buying, selling, living in San Antonio, or maybe another home tour similar to this one that you see here. So with that, thank you one final time. I hope you have an incredible day, and I can't wait to talk to you soon.